Final result is very cool office desktop toy. A transformer needs air gap, or it can be without magnetic core, and ratio 2:1, more windings for the base, and then it works good. This circuit was pioneered by Slider on YouTube. I decided to use filter from computer power supply, not to wind my own transformer, and yeah, LED is blinking quite dim, 0.6 volts power supply. Quite interesting waveform of this oscillator. This is waveform at 2 volts power supply. This is waveform at 0.6 volts, where it starts. There was some problem with the transformer. I had to rewind it, remove half of windings. So now it's 200 and 100 windings. And without iron core, and then it works nice. Oscillogram is like for a blocking generator. Transformer without a gap somehow doesn't work with magnetic waveguide. Half of the core and removed half core. We get more often flashes, but not so bright. Optimal is a gap in the ferrite core. Signal on LED shows 10 to 15 millisecond pulses. I have 10 microfarad capacitor in power supply regulation, then we have shorter pulse and not so bright. Blinker that runs from human battery, aluminum electrode and copper electrode, linked with hands. Produces 0.6 volts. But of course more efficient is to use carbon electrode as plus and magnesium electrode as minus. Then you get about 1 volt difference. Made next LED pulsar in a garden lamp. Here you see transformer, there is no core. Transistor and capacitor with resistor, that's all. Night blinder. Pulsars using long time constants, RC networks, might be okay for office, but in real life where humidity is high, it is questionable. Maybe better to use digital circuits with microcontroller.